TFNN Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading day on Tuesday after the long weekend, and we got markets starting off in negative territory. Dow Jones negative 150 points, or about 0.6%, trading at 24,556. S&P's negative about 22 points, or 0.8%, trading at 2684, and the Nasdaq leading the way in negative territory, off 70 points, or just about a full percent, trading at 7,087. As we start things off this morning, let's take a look at that VIX as we get some negative market action. VIX on Friday, quite a number, 1717. And this morning, 1852, a little bit of a rise as you would expect. Let's jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow, currently trading 24,519. We're up a bit higher, and lower as well this morning. S&P is a little bit of a different story. Right at 945, we got a little bit of a sell-off, 2467 currently in those S&Ps. Nasdaq 100, you see the same story, a little bit of a sell-off, currently trading at 67.23, spiked to a low of 67.15 about the last 10 minutes or so. Crude oil, quite an overnight session. We were up there at $54 just last night. This morning, we're trading at $52.54, session lows as we speak, and trading lower in the price of March crude. Gold contract trading at $1281.67. Gold had been up there to $1284 at some point about 5 a.m. Eastern time. And Euro US dollar, a little bit of volatility as well. You get the Euro trading at 113.55. In terms of what else you have happening across the market, it is still earnings season and lots of news on top of earnings, as you have eBay shares surging as Elliott Management reveals a $1.4 billion stake. We'll jump over to eBay in a moment. That stock getting a boost on that news. Johnson & Johnson topping their fourth quarter expectation, but signaling that sales may slow this year. And Apple talking about that their 2020 iPhones will likely get an upgrade displays after the XR had disappointed. And wrapping it out, you got Nike shares rising as they get an upgrade as well. To jump through some of those stocks, we'll start it off with Nike. This morning looks to be basically flat, spiked to 81.85 at one point. Johnson & Johnson down 1.4% on that news. You have eBay up 8.8%, quite a number. Spiked to 35.19, trading at 33.74. Stay tuned. I'll be coming back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Of course, we got Fast Market, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim at 11. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Tuesday.